Hello, Story Explorers. Look what we have today.
Ooh, a new story. Who is it about?
This story is Minou the Cat Cleans the City.
Minou?
Look, the city is so messy and...
People were walking right past the trash.
But one small cat, Minou, decided to help. A cat hero.
What did he do?
He started by picking up one piece of paper.
He did it.
Look,
That girl saw him and helped too. His kindness started to spread to others. Wow! Now everyone is helping clean the streets.
it's a cleaning party.
Minou showed them that everyone can make a difference.
Even a little cat.
The town looks so beautiful and happy now. They brought the beauty back to their home.
They remembered that we all share one home.
Our Earth.
That was a great story. What did we learn?
That even the smallest act of kindness can grow. And we should all help take care of our home.
See you next time. Keep reading. Bye-bye.